So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual keyboards of the MacBook Pro, and many of you want to know if they do need replacement after a while. So that's why I brought to you the oldest version we've got of Mac on our actual channel. So it's this one. It's a 2014-2015 model, and it's still got the actual original keyboards, and they work perfectly fine. So the answer is no. Apparently, Apple does not recommend you changing it, and at least for what I know, I haven't had any issues whatsoever. So this laptop has almost 11 years, and this one has almost 4 to 5, and I would strongly recommend that you do not change them. So in case you do have any issues and they break, basically the keyboard underwards has like a special, like a click, so therefore it's relatively easy to pull them out and relatively easy to put them back in. So essentially, I do not recommend what you see on the internet, that people actually change them, and as you can see, they are from different colors and stuff. That would affect the guarantee of Apple, as it's not done by Apple but by you. So I would strongly recommend you just leave it on its own. And if you've got any issues, just take it to Mac. I'm sure they will give you an opportunity. And if you want to change them by yourself, remember it's got a click in the center console. So essentially, if you just pull it out, you can just replace it by pressing it back in case by any means one of them falls out or whatever, but it's relatively easy. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down in the comments below.